everyone! Today, let's dive into the wonderful world of lemon balm, a versatile and aromatic herb that not only adds a refreshing touch to your garden but also offers a range of health benefit. Ready to learn more? Let's get started. Lemon balm, scientifically known as Melissa officinalis, is a fantastic herb celebrated for its calming and antiviral property. This delightful plant is commonly used to treat anxiety, insomnia, and digestive issues, making it a valuable addition to any herbal remedy collection. To keep your lemon balm happy and healthy, regular watering is essential. Make sure to keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. This plant thrives best in the spring and summer season, enjoying the warmth and sunshine. When it comes to harvesting, you can pluck the leaves as needed throughout the growing season. Fresh leaves are perfect for teas, tinctures, or even as a flavorful addition to salad. For optimal growth, lemon balm prefers well-drained, sandy, or loamy soil with a pH between 6.0 and 7.0. And don't forget, this herb loves the sun. It requires full sunlight to partial shade, so make sure it gets plenty of light to flourish. Lemon balm requires full sunlight to partial shade, making it quite adaptable to different light conditions. In terms of medicinal uses, lemon balm is a powerhouse. It's known to relieve stress and anxiety, promote restful sleep, aid in digestion, and even help with cold sores due to its antiviral property. Get your hands on lemon balm, where relaxation meets refreshment, perfect for calming your mind and spicing up your dishes. Grow your own garden of Zen.
Well, this is SMF, botanist dedicated to educating about the medicinal benefits of plants. Please subscribe to Botanics by SMF and press the bell icon to stay updated. Let's join the leafy adventure together.